You know what is the most used four-lettered word? The most used four-lettered word is love. Prem. Nahin? Prem. Oh God. Love. And the need of everyone is to love and to be loved. सबको जरूरत होती है एक ऐसे व्यक्ति को जिनको मैं प्रेम करूं. आप सब खोज रहे होंगे शायद. सॉरी. और सबकी इच्छा होती है कि कोई मुझे प्रेम करे. उसको भी आप शायद खोज रहे होंगे. Who knows? You know, one guy was telling a girl, आज तेरा बर्थडे है, कितने साल की हुई तू? So she said 20. बोले 5 साल पहले भी 20 बोले थे. बोली हाँ देखो लड़कियां जुबान की कितनी पक्की होती है. 5 साल में भी जुबान नहीं बदली मैंने 20 साल के. Sorry about that. Hare Krishna. My God. You know something? There is no meaning to life without love. कुछ भी हो जाए जिंदगी में अगर प्रेम नहीं है ना. और गौरांग प्रभु, he tells a story. He went to America. Interesting story. And in America he went to university and one American man. Blue eyes, blonde hair, golden hair. American man, proper American. Has nothing to do with Hinduism. After the talk he comes to him and says, आपका प्रवचन बहुत बढ़िया था. बढ़िया. Not बढ़िया. आपका प्रवचन बहुत बढ़िया था. तो बढ़िया बोला मतलब यूपी हो गया ना. एकदम बढ़िया से हैं. तो ये थॉट अरे हिंदी बोल रहा है. अच्छा, if an American speaks Hindi and says आपका प्रवचन बहुत बढ़िया था, then you understand. ठीक है, ऐसा आपका प्रवचन एक बहुत बढ़िया था. So he said आप तो बिल्कुल बढ़िया हिंदी बोल रहे हैं. कहाँ से सीखी है हिंदी? So he said मेरे पिताजी, my father, when I was about 2 years old, my mother got divorced from my father. So I never got the love of a mother. Then my father married another lady and my stepmother gave me whatever treatment and I never got that love. So after I grew up, I asked my father, Dad, you gave me everything, but I've not experienced the love of a mother. The father said, go to India. If you want to truly see what, I'm not saying in America there's no love of mothers. I know so many people who have amazing loving mothers. You know, His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj tells us the story of his mother who was in America. But this man told him, you go to India. This guy comes to India, goes all around the country finding कहाँ मिलेगी माँ जो मुझे प्रेम करेगी. इधर से ऐसे कोई मार्केट में मिलती है क्या माँ? So he went to somewhere near Varanasi. And in Varanasi he saw a lady, kind of middle-aged elderly lady, and he thought, this is the lady. She was giving so much affection. बोले ये मेरी माँ होनी चाहिए. माँ, what do you mean माँ होनी चाहिए? So he went to the guy in the home. Said मुझे माँ आपकी wife मेरी माँ हो सकती है क्या? This guy was stunned. What are you talking? And this guy doesn't even know much English. Varanasi guy. You know, a Western man comes to India, goes to UP. One guy was there, sitting boy, selling dahi in a matka, thick dahi. तो वो पूछता है Western में, how did you get this such thick yogurt, man? Such thick yogurt. How? तो इसको तो इंग्लिश ज्यादा आता नहीं. बोलता है मिल्क नाइट मॉर्निंग टाइट. Morning tight, okay. That's all he knows. This is the English he knows. My guy was funny, hilarious. So he doesn't even know. This guy goes to this and says, I want a mother. So he बोला ऐसी माँ नहीं मिलती. बोला I can pay you $20,000 a month. बोला अच्छा. दूसरे किसी दोस्त को भी माँ का प्रेम चाहिए तो लेकर आ गया. So this guy stayed in Varanasi for several years and decided to learn Hindi just to get that emotional pang of what the love of mother means. You guys here got it like this. There are many in the world who haven't seen what that love is. Who to strive for that love. Striving for that emotion. You know, so much so that there's a guy in Japan who got married to a pillow officially. It's called a Daki Makaru. This guy officially got married to a pillow in the Christian church. And he carries around that pillow with a face on his pillow. My wife orders 2 plates of food, eats one, leaves the other, and the other is for the waiter. Kaise rakha khana? One lady got married to the Eiffel Tower. It's called Mrs. Eiffel. Mrs. Eiffel hai. One girl got married to a roller coaster. Roller coaster से शादी किया है इसने. I'm probably showing you extreme examples, isn't it? But what is it saying? The need for love and emotional fulfillment is so strong that when you don't get through human beings, we want to relate to animals. When we don't even get it through animals, we want to relate to things. What is it all going to show? We all need that love. To be loved and to express that love is the need of the soul. Can I draw your attention to another beautiful video? Very touching. Please do see this. It's a very beautiful one. You'll love it.
Sung สัยหิวนมนมใช่แม่เปิดการ์ตูนโอเคการ์ตูนนะลูกการ์ตูนแม่ลูกไม่ได้ติดการ์ตูนลูกติดแม่โอเคไหมงั้นเอางี้ลูกคุยกับแม่หน่อยนะคุยกับแม่จ๊ะเอ๋แม่อยู่นี่ไงลูกเห็นแม่ไหมคะจำกันไม่ได้จ๊ะเอ๋มัมกินจังเลยปังเป้งปังเป้งปังเป้งปังเป้งปังเป้งโอ้ไม่ร้องนะ
You know something? I've always thought, when will our crying end? सब रो रहे हैं हम लोग. सुन रहा है ना तू? सब रो रहे हैं. And Srila Prabhupada gives the analogy. Srila Prabhupada was such a genius. How he would connect Krishna consciousness, world examples from the world. And Srila Prabhupada said, we are all crying for that love. Why do we want things? Because we are crying for that love, looking for that fulfillment there. Why do we want to have power and control? It is nothing but the frustrated desire for love. Why do we want control? क्योंकि प्रेम नहीं मिल रहा ना किधर से तो कुछ तो मिलना चाहिए. Suck some juice from somewhere. People who get love are not power freaks. People who get love are not after things. And as my guru Srila Radhanath Maharaj says, things are meant to be used and people are meant to be loved. Very much in this world of chaos today, we love things and we use people to get those things, you know. What a sad plight. And therefore, when we come to a state where our search for love ends, when our Father picks us up And Srila Prabhupada said, when Krishna, our Supreme Father, picks us up, nothing will satisfy you till that day.